Want to customize your ActiveCampaign form to match your brand? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to edit your form, customize its fields and appearance, and configure what happens after someone submits it. First, log in to ActiveCampaign and go to Website, then select Forms. Find the form you want to edit and click Edit to open the Form Builder. Under the Fields tab, you can add or remove fields from your form. Drag standard fields like name, email, or phone number into the form, or use custom fields to collect additional information. You can also click directly on text, headlines, or other elements to change their content. Next, open the Style tab to customize the appearance. Here, you can adjust the form's layout, width, spacing, fonts, colors, and background. You can also add custom CSS if you need more advanced styling. Depending on your ActiveCampaign plan, you may also be able to remove ActiveCampaign branding. After that, open the Options tab to configure what happens when someone submits the form. You can display a thank you message or redirect visitors to another page. You can also set actions such as subscribing the contact to a list, adding a tag, or sending a notification. Once everything looks good, click Integrate in the top right corner. ActiveCampaign will provide options such as an embed code or direct form link, depending on how you want to publish it. And that's how you can customize an ActiveCampaign form from its fields and design to submission actions and publishing.